Alright, well this is my 99 Transam ws6, and my horns, they took a shit. I mean, they just weren't working. Or they were working, but they had a really low tone to them. It's like, I think only one of them was working. Anyways, then I went on eBay and bought a cheap horn setup. It was like 15 bucks. But just show you guys how it sounds. It's gotta really piss off the neighbors a bit, but I'm happy with it. It's cheaper than a OEM horn, I bet. But yeah, it's my Transam. I got it a few weeks ago in the winter time, and now I'm just been doing a little shit to it. Got to put the fog lights in and put the antenna. I took the antenna out because the motor went bad. I got it right here. I'm gonna put this one went bad, so I'm gonna put one of those like hideaway ones, and might as well show the garage. It's my motorcycle, and parting out that gold wing with the parts. And there's a 1970 Dodge Charger. It's got a 440 in it with a 4-speed. Anyways, that's the horn. Hope you enjoyed.